Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to draw a file in AutoCAD software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay, I'm click on this plus sign. New drawing is created. For going to start, I'm going to the previous drawing. Here we are watching this one is the tank, this one is the heel, and this one is the face, and this one is the point. And the length from here to here is the length which is designed by the American systems, and the length from here to here it will be the Swiss. So I'm going to start now. I'm taking the polyline starting from here. I'm taking this one is 0.5, then I'm taking the with 3, I'm taking the 5, then paste the tab from the keyboard, then angle is be 1.75. Okay, done. Then again I'm taking this one is 1, and the angle will be for creating the angle it will be tab, then 145, and this taken, and I am taking this distance is 20 units, and I am taking this one is 1 point I mean 1.5 or 2 is taken 1.5. Okay, done. Then I'm going to create a select this one and going to the mirror, click on this mirror and click this point and another click on this point. Then here's showing the erase source object. Erase source object. No, I don't want to erase the source object, so no. Then create the file, then select this one and going to the offset, and I'm taking the distance will be 0.25. Okay, done. After that I'm going to create the angle for taking the line, and the distance is this way, and the angle will be for creating the angle it will be tab, and I am taking the angle 45. Okay, done. Similarly again line one is taken and create a line, here it will be tab and 45, enter, done. Similarly from here create tab from the keyboard, then 45, enter. Okay. After that, I am going here and select the extend. Right button click, then click on this line and escape from the keyboard. Then go in here or trim T R, enter. Then enter again. Click on this line, on this line, go here, on this line, and on this line. Similarly, click, click. Okay, done. Now escape from the keyboard. I am taking the line again from here to, I'm taking line from here to here. Okay, done. Enter. Now I want to create a hash command, or hash command is selected. Going here, and I can take this one for creating the file, or I'm taking this one. Here it will be not boxes, so that's why it's creating some problems. Click, another click, another click. Okay. After that, J, enter, join. Then I'm going to the hash. Click. Okay, done. And it will be more. will be 0.01. Now this one is okay. Then escape from the keyboard. After that, I want to indicate the full system, so full parts of this file. Now I'm selecting this one and I'm indicating this portion. This one is the tank and the tank. Now I want to increase it to 1.5. Enter. Again I'm selecting this one and click on this portion, and this one is the heel, H-E-E-L, heel. Then also increase the click. Okay, done. And I want to select the face, and I'm going here and select the middle part, and this one will be the face, FS in face, and I want to increase also 1.5, and final one is the point. Here the point, and point. Okay, and it will be also the size 1.5 units. After that, I want to create the length. For creating the length, I am taking this one from here to here. Okay, click on this portion and got here L E N G E H length, and removing this one yet. Okay, then select full length, and it's also the size will be 1.5. Then enter. Then the whole file is done. I think everybody understood how to draw it. And this one, another one thing. This length is American system, so I'm creating this portion. I'm writing this in American. Actually, this length is this distance from here to here is indicated in the American systems, but the length from here to here is selected in the Swiss and the Switzerland. So always we will try to maintain the length of the systems in the American systems. So I think everybody understood how I have drawn it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I'm in the Redesign Engineering, and press the bell icon for getting the new videos. Thank you.